In this video I'm going to show you how you set up the LPS Entry Preparer application which gets your images into our competitions. This particular video talks about how you do this if you've used it before. So if you had the application installed on your machine last year, you want to watch here. If you're a new user of the application and have never had it on your computer, there's a video on the LPS website that describes how you do the first time setup. You need to download a new version of the software even if you've had one before. So from the LPS website, go to the competition software link and you'll find the entries for downloading the entry preparer files. You'll need to download two files. There'll be one called LPS Entry Preparer with some numbers set up. The numbers probably won't be exactly what you see here on this video. This is the setup program that puts the software on your machine. It will automatically update the previous version. You will also need the details of the competition program for this season, and that's this LPS season file where you can check that the year it shows is correct for the season that's about to start. So we have those two files downloaded from the LPS website. Installation of the software is really quite simple. Just double click on that to run. Depending on how Windows is set up, you may see some security warnings popping up at various points in this process, warning you that the software isn't to be trusted. You can quite happily click on the carry on buttons on these forms. It's just because we don't pay Microsoft for the licensing to get rid of these messages. So here we start with the welcome to the preparation wizard and click on next. It says where do you want to install the software, and I suggest you shouldn't change the folder on your system where the files are going to be installed. Just click next here and click install. Now you will get a warning here, and again it's quite okay to say yes, carry on. There's the installation done. Your old version has been upgraded. Finish, and we've done. Now we can go to the start button, bottom left, find Lancaster Photographic Society, and there's our entry preparer record. Let's click that, and we go to the main form, which is a little improved over the one you had before. What we have to do now is give the application that season calendar to tell it where the upcoming season's competitions are going. So let's click on view the calendar and update the schedule. And you can see we used it before, so we have season details from the previous year. We'll click on update here, and the application says tell me where that season file is for the season that's coming up. Click on that file, make sure you've selected the right one by checking the years, and click open. The details are all brought into the program, and there's the season that is about to start. You can look at the details of all the competitions. Here, for example, we've got competition 1. If we want details of that particular competition, click on details again, and you can see this is the date you have to get your entries in by. This is the date of the judging. Here you're allowed 2 color images, 2 mono images. The theme is open. Here's messages from the competition secretary telling you what you're allowed to do. Click on OK, close that, and now you're ready to proceed to get entries into the competition. You'll find more videos on how to proceed from this point and prepare your entries on the LPS website.